up, Netherlands! Stand up, Netherlands! Freedom for East Turkestan! Freedom for East Turkestan! China live, people die! China live, people die! Stop the China live! Stop the China live! Stop the killing now! Stop the killing now!
And ruthlessly oppressing the Uyghurs through various colonial policies. One of these policies is the forced relocation of Uyghurs, especially women and the youth, to work in China practically like slaves in various industries, while millions of Han Chinese settlers are transferred to colonize East Turkestan. On June 26, 2009, hundreds of Uyghur workers were beaten to death in Chinese toy factory in Shaoguan, Guangdong province of China, as Chinese police and security forces turned a blind eye and even encouraged this brutal attack on the Uyghurs, who had been forcibly transferred out of East Turkestan to China. Several days later, on July 5, 2009, thousands of Uyghurs demonstrated in the streets carrying Chinese flags and banners, asking for justice and equal treatment for the Uyghur people in accordance to the Chinese constitution. However, the Chinese government brutally crashed the peaceful demonstration and gunned down thousands of peaceful Uyghur demonstrators, shocking not only the Uyghurs but the international community. Over the course of the next few days, tens of thousands of Uyghurs were extrajudicially detained and disappeared, which destroyed the livelihoods of tens of thousands of families across East Turkestan. Over the years, China has increased its brutal colonial policies and turned East Turkestan into an unprecedented police state today, in which millions of innocent Uyghurs, including members of our own families, have been judicially detained in concentration camps and extrajudicial prisons across East Turkestan. According to the most recent report, some 70 to 80 of the Uyghur 70% to 80% of the Uyghur adult population in Kashgar region alone are currently detained in these concentration camps and extrajudicial prisons. Similar reports have emerged from other regions across East Turkestan as well. For years, China has used the pretext of combating separatism, extremism, and terrorism to terrorize and oppress the peaceful Uyghur nation. However, as of 2018, it has become clear to all the Uyghurs and the other peoples of East Turkestan that China's real intention is to eradicate the very existence of the Uyghur nation and the other people in East Turkestan through genocide. We are here today to let China and the international community know that we will not stop, we will not rest, we will not give up our struggle to free our families, to free our people, and to restore our state of East Turkestan. Oh China, you may be able to kill our bodies, but you cannot kill our spirits. You cannot eradicate our desire to take back what is rightfully ours. We call on the international community, including governments, leaders, organizations, media outlets, and individuals to break its long silence and to stand up against China's ruthless oppression of the Uyghur nation. We call on the European Parliament, the United States, and the United Nations, and all the governments, organizations, and individuals to condemn its ongoing genocide that China is carrying out in East Turkestan and to take immediate action to free the Uyghurs and save East Turkestan. Thank you.
China! Let's second China! Let's second China! Let's second China! China terrorist! China terrorist! China terrorist! China terrorist! Stand up, Canada! Stand up, Canada! Stand up, Canada! Stand up, Canada! Stand up, Canada! Stand up, Canada! Azatlık! Azatlık! Azatlık! Azatlık! Azatlık! Erkinlik! Erkinlik! Erkinlik! Azatlık! Azatlık! Azatlık! Azatlık! Erkinlik! Erkinlik!
Xitoy Komünist Partisiga bu yerda bir xitob hazırlab keldim. Shu xitobni o'qiyman. Ey terrorist Xitoy Komünist Partisi, sen her qancha zalim bo'lsang-mu, bizning iymonimizga ko'ra hamon bir kun seni ve xalqingni bizning ohimiz tutadi ve vayron qiladi. Ey Xi Jinping, ey Komünist Partisi, senin yasallık gücün bo'lsa, bizning Allohga bo'lgan iymonimiz, kuchimiz bordir. Şuna hemen bir gün qalbi qilamiz. Ey Komünist Partisi, senin 1,5 milyar Xitoy xalqing bo'lsa, bizning yaratquchi bo'lgan Allohimiz bordir. Şuna hemen bir gün biz qalbi qilamiz. Ey Komünist Partisi, şunu bilin ki dünyada birden bir kuch bo'lgan Sovyetler İttifakı'nın akıbeti neyim oldu? Şu zamanlarda dünyaya meşhur olan Berlin temini istibdatga razı olmayan halklar kandak paçaklap taşlap hürlükünü ve azatlıkını qo'lga aldı. Şununla o'xshashla biz bu hemen bir gün hürlükümüzni, azatlıkımızı qo'limizga olamiz. Qandaqdir biz bu hürlükni, azatlıkni senden so'rab kelmadik. Uni sen xolisanmi, xohlamasanmi olamiz. Chunki hurlik degan so'rab biladigan narsa emas. Ey Komünist Partisi, senin necis planın bizden eşip Orta Asya Cumhuriyetleri ve Orta Şarkı'ya kadar uzuruşqa başladı. Mana bu senin yalgan hakimiyetinin vayron bo'lishinin ve halak bo'lishinin bisharatidir. Bu senin muştum zorluğun sana baki bo'lavermaydi. Senin bu kuchingning ojizligidan partiyanın yıkıladigan vakti keladi albatta. Ey Komünist Partisi, şunu bilgin ki senin bu kılıvatkan zulmün, müstebitlikin, bizni yani Şarkı Türkistanlıkını tavlap çıkışkı faydası var. Biz bununla şundak iman keltirimiz. Neticede bu tavlanıştın keyin birlik, uyuşuz, sana karta kaytarma hücum ötüş başlanıp ketidi. Senin boğularını kandak muhasirge algan bolsak, kandak kılıp ulanı ay yıldızlık kök bayrağımız ne itiraf kılışka mecburlap söhbet üstüne mecburlap elip geleligen bolsak şu gün hemen bir gün senin partiyanın ve senin 5. yılı kelidi eşicildir. Aman bir gün mezlum zalim üstünden galip kılıdı. Bununla keçidin keyin elbette gündüz keladigandak imanımız var. Allah tebarek ve teala Kur'an-ı Kerim'de deydi: "Ve la tahsabennallaha gafilen amma ya'meluz zalimun." Şarkı Türkistan'da hürlük!
Şerif Türkistan'da hürlük!
Türkistan'da azatlık!
Şerif Türkistan'da azatlık!
Yaşsın şehitlerimiz!
Yaşsın şehitlerimiz!
Yaşsın Şerif Türkistan halkı!
Yaşsın Şerif Türkistan halkı!
Yaşsın Şerif Türkistan halkı!
Yaşsın Şerif Türkistan halkı!
Türkistan'da azatlık!
Şerif